Hey Benchwarmer fans, going to do another bots break of 2010 Benchwarmer Vault. We're up to bots number 8 of 20. So wish me luck. Let's take a look what our bots, inert bots is. Wish me luck. Alright. Our inner bots is this bots again. 2003 Series 2. It looks like it's a thin pack. Alright. So we're probably going to get a kiss card. I think all the number cards were in the big heavy boxes, and we don't have none of those. So, alright, let's see what we get. Okay. First, we have this foil card of Alex Agar. It's a pretty cool card. I like these cards. It's a foil card. It's like a little bit thicker stock because it's foil. And there's the back to that. It's from a set of 10. This is 9 of 10. Alex Agar. Pretty nice card. Awesome. Next we got Tatiana Anderson. And this is from 2002 Benchwarmer. Pretty cool. Next we got Flo Jalen. Pretty nice card, our commemorative card. Awesome card, never seen this card before. This one's a new one to me. This is from a set of 7. Pretty cool. Next we got our Kiss card, and it's Ashley Johnson. Pretty nice. That's a really great lip print. That's a nice lip print. Very nice. Allie Johnson. And this is from 2004. It's from a set of 8 of 16. Awesome. Next we have our Halloween card and our bulk card, our nets. And our Halloween card is Chanel Ryan. Very nice. Chanel Ryan. Not numbered. Looks like she escaped from prison or something like that. And there's the back to that. Very nice back. Awesome. And our next hit is Colleen Shannon. Bulk card. This looks like it was cut different. Or bulk card. Looks like it was cut slightly different. Like right there. I know you can tell. Just a little bit off there. Alright, there it is. There's our bulk break. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube.